Italjet Dragster. The return of a legend in 2020, the Italjet Dragster is expected to arrive in the UK. Italian scooter and small motorcycle maker Italjet are to release a reboot of their most famous scooter, the Italjet Dragster. The scooter will be offered in two engine options, 125cc and 200cc. Now, what will catch your attention at first is the stunning design of the scooter, and in fact, it looks so mean and aggressive that even some high-end sports bikes will shy away from this scooter. 200cc engine that produces 19.8 horsepower of power along with 17 Nm of peak torque. Italjet Dragster gets 12-inch front and rear 13-inch wheels. The braking setup comprises of a 175mm front disc brake along with a 240mm disc brake at the rear with a standard CBS. One of the prime highlights of the Italjet Dragster is that it gets a hub steering up front instead of conventional telescopic forks. Honda Riding Assist E. The Honda Riding Assist E is an experimental motorcycle featuring Honda's unique balance control technology, developed through its humanoid robot research. The motorcycle automatically balances itself using an assistive mechanism derived from robotics technology, for ultra-low speed situations that require the rider's attention to balance, such as traffic jams or starting and stopping. By the motorcycle balancing itself, touring and motorcycle life is made easier and more fun, without sacrificing the fun of riding. BMW R18. The new R18 invokes the history and the iconic hallmarks of the BMW brand. The 1802cc two-cylinder boxer engine of the R18 is the highest displacement boxer that BMW has ever built. It delivers a maximum torque of 116 pounds-ft at 3,000 revolutions per minute. From 2,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute, over 150 nanometers of torque is available at all times, and this elemental pulling power is combined with a full, resonant sound. Outstanding manufacturing quality and a meticulous attention to detail is also evident in features such as the welded joints between the steel tubes and the cast or forged parts. The R18 is also designed to provide optimum vehicle control with a laid-back positioning of the footrests to allow for a relaxed and active riding experience. BMW Motor Rod Vision 100. A motorcycle that is an entirely radical concept of the traditional machine on two wheels. The Vision bike presented at the iconic Impulses exhibition. A motorcycle doesn't need a stand. Not when assistance systems ensure perfect balance. Self-balancing enables the BMW Motorrad Vision X100 to remain stable both during the ride and at a standstill. It is black triangular frame, white lines, classical opposed twin engine type. Accordingly, ergonomics and seat position are set up like on a roadster. A special engine is mounted in the middle of the frame. It is simultaneously a style element and a memory of things long past. It will completely liberate you from the need to wear a helmet or protective gear. Yamaha Tesseract. The Yamaha Tesseract was a hybrid electric concept vehicle introduced by Yamaha at the 2007 Tokyo Motor Show. Yamaha has called it the four-wheeled motorcycle because it has a frontal profile nearly as narrow as a conventional motorcycle and because it has a tilting wheel suspension that allows it to bank like a motorcycle. This suspension, which Yamaha refers to as a dual-side suspension, is similar to that of the 4 megacoulombs concept vehicle. The Tesseract was designed by Luciano Marabese. BMW Alfa. The Alfa is quite possibly the most elegant custom motorcycle that has ever been built. The bike, which was inspired by the Great White Shark, was then designed specifically for the Bonneville Salt Flats and going after the land speed record. After getting wind of Erdem's design concept, one eager motorcycle enthusiast decided to build the otherworldly machine from scratch. Upon reaching out to Erdem, the two then worked together in order to finalize the details of the motorcycle, as the finished product is pretty damn close to the Turkish designer's original renderings. Kawasaki J Concept. Kawasaki is back on the three-wheeled motorcycle train with this brand new J concept. The future J concept will be able to communicate efficiently with the rider regarding road conditions and motorcycle setups. The J concept can change to a three-wheeler in upright mode. The attack mode showed a much more aggressive stance in which it makes the bike lower to ground, giving better aerodynamics. The J concept is explore the attractive possibility of an adaptable transport platform that is fun, easy and convenient. Yamaha Motoroid concept. Motoroid is a proof-of-concept experimental electric motorcycle aimed at new forms of personal mobility in which the rider resonates harmoniously with the machine. Motoroid is equipped with high-precision balance control via artificial intelligence and autonomous technology, and it can sense its own state, and adjust its center of gravity accordingly to stand up off its kickstand and remain upright unassisted. As well as, it reacts based on its rider's actions by human-machine interface. Motoroid inspires a vision of future mobility that takes vehicles beyond simple tools for movement. Motoroid has a completely new level of functionality and an all-new structural layout. Anyway, Motoroid will be the future hero of our roads.